Heyo! Welcome in or welcome back to my channel. We are going to be watching episode 3 of Sweetness and Lightning. I hope you all are enjoying this series and I hope that I am able to speak my words correctly. And we're going to go ahead and just hop on in. So I wonder if she wakes up in the morning and then her mom is just already gone for the day. Or is she there? Like, how often does she see her mom? She wears glasses. There's one of the anime where you're like interested in everybody's life, no matter how normal it is. It looks like her mom already cooked and she's gone. I guess, you know, filming a successful TV show. It takes a lot of time. Was my baby's toy just going off? Anyway, as I was saying, I'm guessing it takes a whole lot of time. Morning, I'll be live on TV at 7:15. Oh, yeah. Oh, is that your mom? That's so cute. Obviously, she would want her mom to be there, but... That's your mom? Sumugi and a long-awaited Hamburg steak. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Itadakimasu, cutie pie. Oh. I hope it tastes really good. Oh my gosh. Ah, good excuse. Oh, I thought you like it when it's really hot. Oh, she smiled. He was so nervous. Mr. Gali Gali is Fluffy Fluffs. Wow, she really loves the sheep pig. I thought it was just a drawing she made. I guess she saw it on a show. Is that the Magi and sheepdogs all over the wall? Help her! She's gonna break the dish. I thought the sink took her. Oh my, that is a lot of papers. April, which one? Which day? Sorry, I already forgot. Oh my. Oh, this is your teacher listening. Man, you were venting to him like he was a boyfriend. I didn't even know that was... I didn't know that was the teacher right there. Yeah.
と火にかけたら煮詰まっちゃってお湯で薄めました。
Mm. I mean, you don't want her to get
大変
sick.
ですから紬は。
Mm. I get that with having babies. Oh, we're at her school. She seems very creative, at least from the intro. What, you interested? All right. She... Oh. I think you can split it up maybe a little bit. Oh, are they gonna go? Oh, they're gonna give her some of theirs. What nice friends. When my babies are able to go to school and everything, I hope they're able to find really good friends like this. Oh my. Oh, oh my goodness. She's very determined. What? Don't be a bully. I'm sorry you don't have friends like her. No. That's not how that works. Hey, don't make Samugi feel bad. I gotta go to that school right now. Oh, is he looking a bit happier? Did she wallop that kid? No, she started crying for sure. Oh, she did wallop the kid. Okay, cool. Mikio-kun? Who's Mikio? Oh, you deserved it. I'm on Samugi's side. Ah. Oh my. Oh yeah? That's what happened? She did vroom. That's true. After you accused her of being a thief, you pushed her? Excuse me? Better get your act together, kid. Yeah. Has she been on... I'm sorry. She hit the floor and just never got back up, I guess. You didn't hit your head on that? Does she get to take her clay home? Oh, she's not going over there. Look at the little seat for her. She's such a big girl. Is this a one lane? Holy. She's just bunched up in there. She must be so embarrassed. All because this boy pushed her. Mikio, you're on the list. Just I'm gonna leave that kid alone. He's very comforting to his daughter, and I love that. Oh, she's so sad. Sweet little Samugi would never do that. How does she fit all her hair in there? That kid is a punk. I'll say it for you. Oh. Is that for like her birthday or? Oh, she's sad today. Oh, it's the next day. Yeah, she didn't want to touch that boy. Just make sure you cook it all the way. Stew it? I'm hoping all these cooking anime will help me in my cooking journey. Oh! Apparently. Crying. Are you guys doing an experiment? Yeah, I'd laugh too if I was there. That is a really sharp knife. Oh, whoa, whoa, I don't think you have to put it that high. First cut from the side. For the rough parts, hold down the edge. Oh, a little holder. Okay. Cut it in half. You scare me with the way you handle a knife. It's like when my husband handles a knife. He likes to hold the stuff in his hand and then cut. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oof. Yeah, she can already tell this may not be okay for his fingers at all. I'm scared. It's slow moving, but it works. Samuki is really down, and I feel so bad for her. It's been over 24 hours. I just want to see her smile again. Okra? I've never had okra or tofu. I do like kiwi. I'd say kiwi is my favorite fruit. And I'm not a big fruit person at all. She's too sad to even do that.
つむぎ、どうしたら
Aww.
元気出るかな。
It affected her that
つむぎは泥
much?
棒じゃないよ。お父さん、分かってるって言ったろ。
I don't like that kid anymore. Not Sumugi. I love Sumugi. Mikio? Mm.
ちゃんと
Are we not hearing it?
つむぎ、
粘土いっぱいもらって粘土返さなかったの。
You didn't have to give it back. She is the most pure little innocent baby.
つむぎは悪い子じゃないよ。大丈夫だよ。大丈夫。
I'm sorry. There are 3 baby girls. There's 3 babies in anime that I'm like, wow. These are the most precious, must be kept safe and just pure for all time. Ushio from Clannad, obviously. Philo from, Rising of the Shield Hero, and then Tsumugi right here. Sweetness of Lightning. Her spirits are starting to lift. I can see. Oh, she is so strong. Sorry, I'm getting my mom voice out. That's the way I speak to my babies. Like when my daughter shows me something, I'm like, you are doing so good. Wow, that is so cool. I wish I was better at gentle parenting, but I feel like sometimes I'm really just too high strung. But I have like the most beautiful babies, just like Sumugi. So that looks really good. I know! You guys are getting really good. Together. My husband would love that. That is a lot for a tiny baby girl, isn't it? No hairbands. My daughter would just eat with her hair just straight in her mouth. Aww. Is that good? She's gonna make me cry. Ah.
つむぎがどんな子でもお父さんは大好きだよ。
Oh, that's so sweet.
よかった。
す
Oh my gosh, did you get enough rice? Sorry. That's so uncalled for. Oh, that was his
そ
birthday.
うか忘れてた
You forgot your own birthday. Ah, April 25th. Oh, she did that with her mom. Oh, that's why she wanted to do that. Yeah, that egg my husband would love. Ugh. You're not gonna feed him, right?
一番美味しいところをあげますからプレゼントです。
いや大丈夫
Alrighty, we are at the end of episode 3. These episodes seem to go very quick, at least to me. And my few thoughts are just that, you know, Kohei and Aida, they really seem to be getting a lot better at cooking. Together. Like, that's a comma, together. Like, individually, they seem to be getting better at cooking. And then as a team, they're getting better. So, my biggest takeaway this episode is that Sumugi, just the most adorable little baby. She is extremely emotionally intelligent. I feel like that is a proper thing to say. Like, there's just no way around it. She's very, very intelligent in every possible way. And she's super sweet, remembering, you know, what her mom told her for the calendar, and that, you know, on that specific day with the flower, then it was his birthday. And obviously, it goes without saying that she has a superb memory, because she would have done that little doodle on the calendar with her mom way over 6 months ago, seeing as, you know, her mom has since passed. So, just wanted to note that. And, you know, on some low key stuff like Mikio, that kid, he's a naughty kid. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And what do you think of how that steak looked? It was great, right? Even if you're not, you know, into eating meat or anything, just let me know that, like, the anime food, it looks pretty banger, right? It's okay to admit that, at least. um, yeah, I think that's it. My rating for this episode is going to be 10 out of 10 birthday flower doodles. That's going to do it for me. Feel free to subscribe and share this with your friends. It would make me very happy. Maybe even cry like Sumugi. Also, Sumugi keeps making me cry every episode. Like, she's just adorable. And the relationship between Sumugi and Kohei is just like, I don't know. It's pure, it's wholesome. I love it. But anyway, that's gonna do it for me, and I will see you all in whatever you choose to watch from me next. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.